Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the Tidal Mutation in a Grow a Garden game of Roblox Summer Event Update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Basically, the Tidal Mutation is a new mutation from the Summer Event Update, and you can get this mutation during the high tide harvest event, and this event happens every 1 hour guys, so make sure that you're in the game to get the Tidal Mutation, or you can also use this plan to get the Tidal Mutation. This one, Tick Totem, this plant has ability to give your fruits or your plants the Tidal Mutation. Okay, so basically to get the Tidal Mutation, you just need to stay in the game during the high tide harvest event, and the environment will turn into this environment guys, the wet atmosphere. Okay, and now the event is over. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the Tidal Mutation in a Grow a Garden game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.